A very warm good morning to one and all. This is a humble beginning towards empowerment of our society by bringing normalcy post COVID-19 and through technology to create a better and safe tomorrow. The Electrical Engineering Department of SISTec-E, Ratibad campus presents you 2 days faculty development program on our Cortex Microcontroller for renewable energy source integration that is organized by Rajiv Gandhi Prausodgiki Vishwavidyalaya under TEQIP-III. Imagination or visualization is the basis of every creation, whether it is done by we human beings or Mother Nature within its unbounded laws, infinite possibilities, followed by implementation and then followed by improvement. This is a platform for learners to strengthen their technical reliability and upsurge of creative innovation, an arena to compete, excel, and prove themselves, and event garlanded with lots of talents. Ideas are like legs. What good are they if you cannot run with them? Everything begins with an idea. Ideas evoke imagination. Imagination thrives for improvement, and this, together with proper implementation, makes a dynamic engineer. Dear students, dear faculty members, today we have on desk our honorable and respected principal sir, Dr. Manish Billore sir, all the HODs of various departments, and highly qualified and expert speaker of the day, Dr. Muhammad Ashraf A. Mulla sir. I would request our respected principal sir to address the audience for this faculty development program. Respected sir, please.
First, we should light the lamp.
I would request all the dignitaries present over here to come forward for the lamp lighting ceremony of Mass Saraswati, which is our tradition to start every auspicious occasion with the lamp lighting ceremony. दीप ज्योति प्रारंभ दीप ज्योति जनार्दन दीपों में हरासु पापम दीप ज्योति नमोस्तुते.
Sure.
Thank you so much, sir. I would now request our respected principal, Dr. Manish Billore, sir, to extend a welcome hug to our distinguished expert of the day, Dr. M.A. Mulla, sir, to present him a sapling. Sir, please. Thank you so much, sir. With this now, I would like to request our honorable principal, sir, to address all the audience.
Welcome, Mr. Junaid.
Okay. Okay. I would now request our principal, sir, to welcome Mr. Junaid, sir, with the sapling.
Our esteemed guest for this 2 days faculty development program from S.V.N.I.T. Surat, Professor Mulla. Our expert from SISTec, Mr. Junaid. Coordinator and head of the Department of Electrical Engineering, Professor Ashish. Our esteemed heads of various departments of SISTec-E campus, dear faculty members, and my dear students. It is a good opportunity for all of us to learn. And as we always keep telling to ourselves that these moments, this time, whatever we are spending in the academic institution, whether in the capacity of a student or in the capacity of a teacher, we must utilize each moment for learning. Self-learning, peer learning, and of course, learning of the upcoming generations. And definitely such occasions like faculty development program, either for the teachers or for the research scholars, whether from Inauguration or from PhD, they are precious moments. So we must not miss even a second or a minute for the learning opportunity of ourselves on these particular occasions or on these particular occasions. Now, how should we move? How should we go ahead? I would say there are 3 I's. The first is inspiration. So inspiration from your parents, inspiration from the Almighty God, inspiration from your teachers, and of course, inspiration from the great men that you can see the pictures in this hall. Such great people, not only from the society, but also from your field of expertise. I'll give you a very valid example for this. I don't know how many of you would know this, but today is the birthday of Mr. Alessandro Volta, who is a great Italian scientist. Today is his birthday. And as we remember him, as we convey our birthday greetings to him, we get inspired. So we must always keep looking for such moments. So Mr. Volta, a great scientist, the students would not know this, but then he is the person behind this wood. So the term wood came from his name. Such a big person, such a great personality. Why not remember him at least once a year? Why not to get inspired from him at least once a year? And there are at least 365 such great people. Each day, the other day I was sharing with our media team also, we should keep finding such personalities. जिसने माइक्रोफोन का इन्वेंशन किया, जिसने मास्क का इन्वेंशन किया, जिसने ट्यूबलाइट का इन्वेंशन किया, हो गया सर। आज ऐसे व्यक्ति का जन्मदिन है जिसने बोल्ट का इन्वेंशन किया। आप सोचो कि आप जब तक दुनिया में इंसान रहेगा तब तक ये बोल्ट तो रहेगा, और जब तक बोल्ट रहेगा तब तक वो मिस्टर बोल्टा को हरा भी आता रहेगा। So that's about first time inspiration. Second is innovation. शिव खेड़ा का स्टेटमेंट क्या है? We might not be doing different things, but then if we are successful, we must be doing things differently. एक ही काम को हम अलग तरह से कैसे कर सकते हैं? एक ही फंक्शन को अलग तरह से कैसे ऑर्गेनाइज कर सकते हैं? एक ही क्लास को अलग तरह से कैसे कंडक्ट कर सकते हैं? एक ही एक्सपेरिमेंट को अलग तरह से कैसे कंडक्ट कर सकते हैं? And then comes the innovation. Innovation is not something different. Innovation is not something from out of the world. Innovation comes from within. So this second I innovation. और थर्ड आई जो आज सुबह मुझे पता चला, सुबह रियलाइज हुआ जब मैं मुल्ला सर के साथ में बातचीत कर रहा था ऑफिस में बैठ के, और वो इंडिजिनाइजेशन। अभी जो मिस्टर जुनेद जिस कंपनी से आए हैं, I may not be exaggerating, but then this company is highly supported and inspired and motivated by Professor Mulla. I may not be exaggerating, but this is what I came to know. कि चाहे वो एमटेक के स्टूडेंट्स हो, चाहे एसवी.N.I.T के स्टूडेंट्स हो, चाहे कंपनी के लोगों को कुछ कंसल्टेंसी देना हो, चाहे उनको कुछ गाइडेंस देना हो, चाहे उनको कुछ नए डायरेक्शन देना हो. So this is how industry and academia work closely. This is a live example. और आपको इस FDP में 2 दिन तक देखने को मिलेगा कि कितने क्लोजली कोई इंडस्ट्री और एक एकेडमिक इंस्टीट्यूट काम कर सकते हैं. पता ही नहीं चलेगा कि अभी हम कॉलेज में बैठे हैं कि इंडस्ट्री में बैठे हैं. पता ही नहीं चलेगा कि इन दोनों में से इंडस्ट्री वाला कौन है और कॉलेज वाला कौन है. This is how people work closely. So we should get inspired. और यही जो है, यही कारण है, यही जड़ है जिसको हम कहते हैं इंडियनाइजेशन, मेक इन इंडिया. सब जगह अभी बहुत उसकी चर्चा है, लेकिन मेक इन इंडिया क्या होता है? अगेन आई वुड कोट मिस्टर मुल्ला. अभी सुबह सर ने बताया मुझे कि देयर इज समथिंग व्हिच हैज बीन कमिंग फ्रॉम जर्मनी और यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स ऑफ अमेरिका, एंड दैट टू एट अ वेरी हाई कॉस्ट. बिकॉज ऑफ द कॉस्ट पीपल यूज्ड टू गेट वन सच इंस्ट्रूमेंट और टू सच इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स. अगर कोई बहुत रिच इंस्टीट्यूट है तो 5 आ जाएंगे, 10 आ जाएंगे वहां. But then with this invention and with this innovation and this indigenization, जो आपको शेयर करेंगे टेक्निकल एंड मैकेनिकल इंजीनियर्स, I don't know the intricate details of what has been developed, लेकिन उसका स्पिरिट तो मुझे समझ में आ गया आज. I came to know that. अभी सब लोगों ने क्या किया है? At a nominal cost against the actual cost of the German or the American instrument, they have developed an indigenous product. Not only for learning, not only for the research, but also for industrial applications. So that is what is expected from engineers. चाहे वो students हो, चाहे वो young faculty members हो, चाहे वो researchers हो. आज सुबह मॉर्निंग मीटिंग में सर हम लोग रोज सुबह भी कंडक्ट अ स्क्रम मीटिंग of all HODs, 5 minutes meeting. So what happened yesterday, which went wrong or which could have been made better? What is the agenda for today? And what we are supposed to be planning or be ready for tomorrow. So उसी मीटिंग में आज ये सुबह का डिस्कशन था that whatever we do, how does it contribute to the society, to the nation, to the technology, and definitely again in the capacity of a student or a faculty member or an administrator like me, हम जो भी कर रहे हैं उसका कनेक्शन तो है. This is our duty to find out that connection. ये रातीबड़ के किसान को मेरी आज की पढ़ाई कैसे काम आएगी? रातीबड़ तो ना पास में ही हम रातीबड़ गाँव में ही हैं. रातीबड़ के किसान को मेरी आज की पढ़ाई, आज जो मैंने लेसन सीखा, वो हमारे गाँव के किसान को कैसे काम करें, यहाँ जो आदमी ट्रैक्टर चला रहा है उसको कैसे काम करें, यहाँ जो आदमी गड्ढा खोद रहा है उसको कैसे काम करें, हमारे गाँव हमारे कॉलेज के मालिक को वो चीज़ कैसे काम की। And I appreciate Team Ratibad is already up to the mark. मैंने अभी पिछले I am new to this campus sir, so पिछले 15 दिन में मैंने ये देख लिया है that the team is already doing all such activities in these directions. So my earnest request would be to kindly keep this task going on, kindly keep your spirit high, and definitely अगर आप इस शिद्दत के साथ में काम करते रहेंगे तो डेफिनेटली एक दिन आपको कनेक्शन रियलाइज होगा। आपको उस टारगेट के साथ में काम नहीं करना है, आपको जो कहते हैं ना स्पोर्ट्स में भी फिनिश लाइन के बारे में सोच के आपको नहीं दौड़ना है, आपको तो अपना ट्रैक देखना है, अपनी स्पीड देखना है, दैट्स ऑल। वही काम आपको भी करना है, कीप ट्रैक, कीप योर स्पीड हाई, कीप योर स्पिरिट हाई, एंड अल्टीमेटली डेफिनेटली यू विल रीच दैट स्पीड कि आपके किए हुए हर काम को सोसाइटी में, स्टेट में, सिटी में रिकॉग्निशन मिले। I extend a warm welcome to Dr. Mulla, to Mr. Junaid for spending time in this sensitive period. Normally लोग avoid कर देते हैं, लेकिन तो भी आप लोग आए और I'm sure आपके आने से हम बहुत कुछ सीखेंगे। And definitely एक दो बार अगर हमने शुरू की है, I would request all HODs to kindly get in touch with Mr. Mulla, Dr. Mulla, कि हम जो बात कर रहे थे that how SISTec and S.V.N.I.T can have some understanding. कुछ हमारे मुल्ला सर जैसे लोग या सर कुछ भी रेगुलरली आते हैं, हमारे लोग भी रेगुलरली वहाँ जाते हैं, and why not this institute can be a mentor institute for SISTec? अगर ऐसा होता है, so I'll be very happy, I'll be glad and be thankful to all of you. And with this, I once again extend a hearty and a warm welcome to both the gentlemen from Surat, and I hope this event is going to be a great success. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir, for enlightening us with your kind words of wisdom. Let me tell you all about this faculty development program. This training program is specially designed for engineering college faculties and the students, those who are very much interested to pursue a technical kind of hands like microcontroller based projects. It mainly deals with various aspects of ARM Cortex microcontroller for renewable energy source integration. And the agenda of the course is to achieve the following objectives. Number one objective is renewable source integration using ARM Cortex M4 microcontroller, block sets for programming GPIO, LCD and keyboard, block sets for programming timers, ADC and DAC, development of PLL and MPPT using ARM Cortex M4 microcontroller, and the demonstration of P&O MPPT using ARM Cortex M4 controller. With this now, I would like to invite the coordinator of this event for the vote of thanks of this inaugural ceremony, Professor Mr. Ashish Singhal sir. Sir, please.
Thank you, Pankaj. Honorable Principal Sir, expert from S.V.N.I.T. Surat, Dr. Mulla Sir, expert from Infotech, Mr. S.V.N.I.T. Sir. I welcome on the behalf of the department as well as on the behalf of the college. I, Professor Singhal, as a partner with the head in electrical engineering. First of all, I want to share something with you guys. When we are thought, I have a thought that I have to apply an FDP program offline. That was a very good challenge for me. Expert कौन होगा? Who will be the expert? How will organize it? There are some challenges. उसके साथ बहुत सारी चीजें जो थी वो मेरे से जुड़ी. My mentor Professor S. Chaubey sir, my mentor Billore sir, my mentor, those who are not here but they are something behind me. They all told me just go ahead. छोटा सा वर्ड है go ahead, लेकिन पीछे यदि किसी ने बोल दिया just go ahead तो चीजें बदल जाती हैं. This feeling I could not express in front of you guys, but right now Pankaj sir told me for both of things. Suddenly बोला कि I am very much thankful to all. बड़ा सरल है, लेकिन इस पैंडेमिक से होकर निकलकर हम लोग ये प्रोग्राम कर रहे हैं और इस प्रोग्राम को के लिए आप सब लोग यहाँ पर जो एकत्रित हुए हैं, you all gathered here for making this program successful. I'm very much extremely thankful to all my dignitaries, all my professors, all my colleagues, my students, those who are very much touch with me. And also thankful to the TEQIP-III Bhopal. First of all, I thankful to the Professor S. Chaubey, coordinator, TEQIP-III, who always supported us to organize such programs, always supporting us for doing some innovations, always supporting us to enhance our learnings. I also thanks to my principal sir, I would say my dear principal sir, who encouraged me at all time to do some innovations. They guided us very well, and definitely will do something for our department. I would thank for all my admin staff, Mahesh sir, ma'am, HR ma'am, all admin staff, those who are connected partially or impartially, I would say, for making this program successful. Even I would thank to my lovable friends of my department, those who are always stand with me on the good places or bad places, I would say. तो हर व्यक्ति, मेरे स्टूडेंट, मेरे कलीग्स जिन्होंने इस प्रोग्राम को बनाने में, सक्सेसफुल बनाने में मदद की, मैं हृदय से आभारी हूँ उन लोगों का. उसके साथ साथ हमारे कॉलेज के यूट्स जिन्होंने इसको बहुत अच्छी तरह से प्रोग्राम को सुदृढ़ किया, साथ में मीडिया टीम, those who helped us program to be on live, and they are doing well. I also thanks to my chairman sir. I also thanks to my managing director for keeping us motivated and doing well in the direction of enhanced learning. So for this kind words, I'm not here to wasting the time because we are having so many things to do. क्योंकि अभी 2 दिन, next 2 days will be, a very great day for us. We'll have a great learning. We're having a great experts from the S.V.N.I.T, and Surat, and Mr. Junaid. आर्म कंट्रोलर के बारे में थोड़ा सा बता देता हूँ. इट्स वेरी मच इम्पोर्टेंट बिकॉज बेटा आप सब लोग जानते ही हैं कि आर्म कंट्रोलर है, तो एक्सपर्ट बहुत अच्छी तरह से आपको बताएंगे ये चीज, लेकिन इसकी क्यूरियोसिटी को बनाने के लिए मैं थोड़ा सा एक चीज बोलना चाह रहा हूँ. दैट इज आर्म कंट्रोलर इज वेरी मच इम्पोर्टेंट कंट्रोलर टू अंडरस्टैंड द प्रोग्रामिंग, टू अंडरस्टैंड द हैविंग सम नॉलेज हाउ टू. और सबसे बड़ी ब्यूटी क्या है उस कंट्रोलर की? दैट ब्यूटी इज रहे टू real-time data fetching by the MATLAB. It's very simple in costing, very simple in constructions. You can understand well. So thank you so much once again, sir and sir, for my HOD sirs. Thank you so much. Thank you, Pankaj sir.
Thank you so much, sir. This morning as well as started with 3 eyes of our respected principal, sir, and all the introduction of ARM microcontrollers of HOD, sir. Let me go through the basics objective of TEQIP-III, under which this faculty development program has actually been made possible. This TEQIP-III program is actually under the flagship of Government of India MHRD, actually motivating all the colleges across the India. Actually, in Madhya Pradesh, it is affiliated to RTPP, and it is actually encouraging all the affiliating colleges to do whatever is necessary to upgrade our technical education. Whatever is given in the textbook is actually limited to a timing, but in the industries there are lots of improvements on daily basis. Those who are in higher institutions like ITs and ITs are given responsibilities, bigger responsibilities, to spare some few time just to increase the reachability of technology to those colleges which are actually not so important or actually in line of becoming more developing for time being. For that, MHRD, Government of India has inspired or given a set of TEQIP-III to enhance technical eligibility in colleges by imparting knowledge through faculty development program or short-term training program. This is actually one of the cases where we are going to organize faculty development program. Now, we are, dear friends, today we have two distinguished expert speaker from S.V.N.I.T. Let me tell you the brief introduction that might be helpful for all of us that to whom we are interacting. First is we are actually blessed to have Dr. Muhammad A. Mulla, sir, who is Associate Professor from S.V.N.I.T. Surat. And the second one is respected Junaid sir from NITEC Surat. Dr. Muhammad A. Mulla sir is from S.V.N.I.T. Surat, Gujarat. As I told you earlier, he is Associate Professor and Head of Department. His research interests are power electronics, advanced electronics, electrical drives, basic electrical engineering, electrical circuit analysis, control system, automation, and stochastic processes. That is actually optimization processes, some sort of. Muhammad A. Mulla sir received his Bachelor of Engineering degree in Electrical Engineering from the SP National Institute of Technology, Surat, in the year 1995, and ME degree from MS University, Vadodara, India, in 1997. And sir did his PhD degree from S.V.N.I.T. India in January 2015. Mulla sir has 23 years of teaching experience, and he is currently working as an associate professor in the Department of Electrical Engineering at S.V.N.I.T. Surat since 16 September 2003. His research interests are actually solar and wind energy conversion, AC to DC converters, DC to AC converters, power quality detailings, and active power filters. He has established a laboratory to teach power electronics and electrical drives course with hands-on based learnings. In these courses, students are actually given different microcontrollers cards, driver cards, and power cards, and hands-on trainings based on learnings of power converters implementation are taught. He is a senior member of IEEE, International Association of Engineers, Association for Computing Machinery, Indian Society of Technical Education, and Institution of Engineers. This was all about our first distinguished speaker of the day, Dr. Mulla sir. Now let me tell you the brief introduction of, as I told you earlier, we are also blessed to have second speaker of the day, Mr. Junaid sir. Sayyid Muhammad Junaid sir is training coordinator, National Infotech, NITEC, as it is actually popularly known as, from Surat. His research interests and projects under which he has done various lots of work are torque repulse reduction of BLDC motor with modified SPWM technique, sensorless control of BLDC motor for submersible pump with solar photovoltaic system, implementation of field-oriented control of three-phase induction motor, IoT-based speed control of induction motor, development of Internet of Things, that is, this by IoT, training module, PV-based grid-connected inverter with active filters, PV-based grid-connected multi-level inverter with active filters. With all these introductions, I am very much feeling happy to announce the end of this inaugural session. Now let me tell you one thing, we have to just have 15 minutes break. We all are going to have 15-minute break. We all will proceed for high tea.
Thank you.
We can please?
Yeah, thank you.
Okay, thank you for all for joining for the inaugural session. We will meet after 15 minutes for the execution of day session 1. Thank you all.